Observability and SRE Part 58. This episode has 2 questions. For each question, take a moment to think through your own answer before I share a strong approach. Question 1. Explain your long-term technical vision. Here's a strong way to approach it. A strong long-term technical vision should emphasize building reliable platforms that reduce developer friction, improve automation, standardize security, and make systems easier to operate at scale. It should show growth toward architecture ownership, platform strategy, mentoring, and measurable business impact. Detailed interview preparation. Use the STAR method: situation, task, action, result. Start with the business or user impact. Explain your responsibility. Describe the technical steps and communication steps you took, and end with measurable results. What to include: context, system size, severity, users affected, environment, and why it mattered, investigation, metrics, logs, traces, alerts, recent changes, dependencies, and hypotheses checked. Action, mitigation first, then root cause analysis, long-term fix, validation, and rollback or failover if needed. Communication, incident updates, stakeholder alignment, escalation, timeline notes, and handoff. Result, reduced MTTR, improved slow, fewer alerts, lower cost, better reliability, or stronger security. Key focus for this question: emphasize technical judgment, communication, measurable impact, and learning from the situation. Avoid a vague answer like "I checked logs and fixed it." Interviewers expect a structured story with evidence. Trade-offs, prioritization, and follow-up prevention. Sample answer structure. In one production situation, we noticed impact. I was responsible for. Role: I first mitigation, then investigated using signals or tools. The root cause was. Cause: we fixed it by. Technical fix: validated with metrics or tests, and prevented recurrence by automation or runbook or alert or policy. The result was measurable improvement. Nice. Let's continue. Question 2. Design and explain a complete enterprise-grade DevOps plus MLOps platform for Google scale systems. Here's a strong way to approach it. A complete enterprise-grade DevOps plus MLOps platform should combine cloud foundation, secure infrastructure, CI or CD, GitOps, Kubernetes, observability, SRE practices, and MLOps lifecycle automation. The goal is to let teams ship software and ML models quickly while keeping reliability, security, compliance, and cost under control. Detailed interview explanation. Start with the foundation, organization structure, landing zone, private networking, IAM, service accounts, secrets management, audit logging, policy as code, and Terraform modules. Then explain delivery, source control, CI pipelines, artifact registry, SBOM, vulnerability scanning, image signing, deployment gates, GitOps reconciliation, Canary rollout, blue-green deployment, and rollback automation. MLOps layer: add data ingestion, validation, feature engineering, feature store, experiment tracking, training orchestration, model registry, approval workflow, model serving, A or B testing, model monitoring, drift detection, bias checks, and automated retraining. For production inference, include autoscaling, batching, GPU or TPU planning, latency slows, model rollback, and prediction logging. Google scale concerns. Discuss multi-region architecture, global load balancing, tenant isolation, quota management, platform self-service, standardized golden paths, error budgets, incident response, disaster recovery testing, cost governance, and compliance evidence. A strong answer should show trade-offs: managed services versus control, active-active versus active-passive, consistency versus availability, and speed versus safety. Great. Moving on. That wraps up this episode. Nice work practicing, and see you in the next one.